Hello and welcome back to the weekly update of China's embodied AI sector, especially the humanoid robot. First news is Lens Technology, which is a supplier of Apple. It has recently led the angel round investment into CASBOT, or Lingbao in Chinese. This is a humanoid robot company founded by Zhang Zhengtao from the Institute of Automation of Chinese Academy of Science, CES. Perhaps this explains the robot's name, CASBOT. CASBOT has also forged collaborations with major industry players, such as Shandong Zhejiang Group, Sinomine Resources, and CITIC Heavy Industries. Together, they are exploring the application of humanoid robots in the mining and other scenarios. Beyond financial backing, Lens Technology will provide CASBOT with the key components and assembly support. This aims to improve the quality, control the costs. Earlier this year, Lens Technology announced the delivery of Lingxi X1 robots for Embodied, which is a leading humanoid robot company based in Shanghai. Lens Technology not only successfully delivered the Lingxi X1 in batches, but also played an active role in the development, assembly, and testing of its core components, including the joint modules and omni-picker, its gripper. Lens Technology has also played a role in establishing the Changsha Robotics Institute, initiated by the Changsha municipal government, and even set up its own intelligent robots branch in 2016. But at that time, it was not developed at the strategic level. Okay, now the next news. On June 26th, Wang Xingxing, founder of Unitree Robotics, revealed at a forum that the company's annual revenue has surpassed 1 billion Chinese yuan. Wang also said that for products that interact closely with humans, the safety concerns often outweigh the technical challenges, and ethical issues can be even more complex. As an example, Wang mentioned that a recent incident where a customer took a Unitree robot to a public event, and it accidentally stepped on and removed a young girl's shoe. Although the girl was not physically harmed, Wang believes that this case highlights the significant safety risks. So founded in 2016, Unitree has grown from a solo venture into a leading robotics company with around 1,000 employees, pioneering in the quadruped and humanoid robots. Our third news is about Tao Motor, a company based in Zhejiang Province. Tao Motor announced the release of a humanoid robot called CASBOT through a strategic cooperation with the K-Skill Labs. This collaboration covers various aspects, including the ODM cooperation, joint research and development. Tao Vehicles Company has been manufacturing motorsports and other products in Jinyun County in the Zhejiang Province since 1985. Now it's a leading producer of ATVs, scooters, and electric golf cars. What's particularly notable is that, given the US-China trade tensions, Tao Motor has factories in the United States and its supply chains established well beyond China, like Vietnam. So this timing makes sense because Tao Motor established a subsidiary in Shanghai on June 12th. This company is called Zhejiang. I don't know the English name now. Will they sell the affordable CASBOT for K-Skill Labs in China? We'll have to wait and see. Okay, our next news is about talent shifts in China's robotics scene. Han Lei, Deputy General Manager of Robotics X at Tencent, will be leaving his position in late July to join Noitom Limited, or 诺亦腾科技 based in Beijing. Robotics X was established in 2018, considerably earlier than most humanoid robot startups in China. A paper co-authored by Han Lei made the cover of the Nature Machine Intelligence in July 2024. According to the social media account AI Talk, Han will join Noitom Limited, which was founded in 2012. Noitom focuses its research and development on mapping the human body, its movements, and interaction with the environment. There are very few early initiatives coming from tech giants, with Tencent's Robotics X Lab being a notable exception. Of course, Tencent also made investment into Embodied and Unitree. Now, the Robotics X focuses more on the foundational and the frontier research, rather than the mass production and industrial application. Zheng Yu, another member of Robotics X, joined Ubitech in 2024, and then this company called Xingcheng CASBOT was also established by core members of Robotics X in 2022. And there are two other startups, maybe not well known. One is called Zhang Zhengtao and another called Wang Xingxing. I can't find English names for these two companies. They were founded in 2023 and 2024, and both have raised tens of millions of yuan in their annual rounds. Internet giants clearly have advantages in forming the embodied intelligence teams, particularly when it comes to access to the large models and financial resources. However, a key challenge they now face is retaining the tech talent. The top engineers are eager to launch their own ventures, and as the embodied intelligence sector booms in China, funding is no longer a significant problem. Our next company is PaXini Tech, a Shenzhen-based company, and its products include Tora, a humanoid robot, and the Dex H series, a dexterous hand based on the textile and visual perception models and advanced AI algorithms. It has launched an embodied intelligence data factory in North China's Tianjin. This massive 12,000 square meter facility is being touted as the world's largest and the most advanced embodied intelligence data collection and model training base. The facility houses 150 standardized collection units and features over 15 scenarios, simulating thousands of tasks and millions of procedures. Okay, another news is about DoBot, or 越江机器人 in Chinese. On June 27th, DoBot held a new product launch in Nagoya, a major manufacturing harbor in Japan. DoBot officially began the batch deliveries of humanoid robot called Atom, and also unveiled the CR30H, a high payload and high-speed co-robot. The Atom, it can perform highly stable tasks, such as soldering the electronic components, calibrating the precision instruments, and even picking cherries, according to the company. The next news is also interesting. On June 28th, China's first fully autonomous 3-versus-3 AR robot football match, or it was called the Robo League, was kicked off in Beijing's Zhejiang area, or E-Town. So there's no remote controls were used. The robot football players relied entirely on the autonomous decision-making, from defense and attack to coordination. The competition featured Booster Robotics T1 robots and offered a total prize pool of 500,000 Chinese yuan. From the video, you can see some robots fell during the match and had to be carried off the field. The E-Town the organizer aims to develop the humanoid robot half marathon and the robot league as its two signature branding events. Finally, on the policy perspective, we take a look at Suzhou City, a key manufacturing and foreign trade harbor in China. On June 28th, Suzhou AI Industry Association released a list of 66 scenarios that demand AI solutions. They cover 18 areas, such as manufacturing, healthcare, scientific research, sports, transportation, and commerce. So this one steel manufacturer wants to use intelligent data analysis to optimize the production process and quality control, addressing the problems in traditional models, such as relying on the experience and complaint resolution. There's also need for elderly service support. It wants the solution for active interaction, emotion perception, and needs analysis. So with the elderly people, it should accurately interpret dialects and vague expressions from the elderly people. Suzhou has been spearheading the application of AI technologies. Currently, the city is home to over 2,400 artificial intelligence-related enterprises, including 33 listed companies and 7 global unicorns. Okay, that's all for this episode.